I mean, my BTEC course was massively diverse, to be honest with you. We did many different modules, quite wide-ranging, and actually people ended up doing lots of different things. Yes, we did have some quite traditional trades like bricklayers and plasterers and electricians, but actually we had brilliant engineers, great designers. I went on to become an architect. So it's quite, for me, it's brilliant actually, the range of careers that you can get from a BTEC course.
There's a huge amount of diversity there, and I think often we get sort of channeled into this idea that you've got to start on a route and follow that through to a conclusion, and that being in architecture or quantity surveying or you know, more labour-led construction, things like bricklaying or trades in a conventional sense. But actually, I think the great thing about the BTEC and the opportunity there is that you don't have to have that sort of set pathway. You can go and get a broad understanding of lots of different aspects of construction through BTEC, but that can give you lots of different pathways, so it doesn't have to define the end outcome. You can actually start on a journey, get a really good broad skill set of construction, and then choose how you want to then develop that route through your career, depending on your interests and how you progress in that experience.